Good morning guys, it is the 7th vlogmonth day of February, day 7, and I'm going to show you my new budgie actually. There it is, the blue one, and it's called Bluey. He's quite a young one. I don't know if it's a he or a she yet, because the woman said they'll change the beaks when they're older or something, change colour with the beaks. So yeah, I thought I'll show you my new budgie and plus what I do on my session day. I'm having a session day today because I'm feeling a bit bored, as you do, and you like to have a drink. So I prepared my dinner. I'm having normal potatoes, frozen veg with sprouts, roast potatoes, and roast lamb with roast carrots and roast parsnips, Yorkshire puddings, cabbage and turnip. So I've got that to do yet. So yeah, I'm looking forward to today. Something to, as I always call my Tuesdays, cheer up days. So I'm quite looking forward to it. So my videos will be on my main channel for today when I upload from my tablet from YouTube, and when I'll be doing my other videos tomorrow as well onto my main channel. So I'll speak to you guys later. Health Bells Vlogs. Oh yes guys, I haven't got a new Twitter account because I had to reset everything because I lost my email address on my old Twitter. So my new Twitter account is Hells is back 321. So that's my new Twitter account. So please follow me on my new Twitter account. So I'll catch you guys later. Health Vlogs is here. 3, 2, boom. See you guys later.